Welcome to the Faux Glass Technique card class. I absolutely love using double-sided tape with glitter. It makes some beautiful, effective, wow cards. And in this class, we're going to take that glitter and we're going to swap it with some embossing glazes, and it creates a really beautiful glass-like look, which is why I called the class Faux Glass Technique. Let me show you what we're going to be working on. So these are the cards we're going to be creating in this class. We're going to be creating 3 different card designs. This is the class sample. This is the one that I'm actually demoing. After doing the sample, I got a order of the new embossing glaze colors that have just been newly released. So rather than showing you exactly the same as the sample, I just swapped the colors a little bit so you see the same design, just with a different color change. Sometimes that's inspiring. A lot of times people just see one color combination and think it can only be that. So it's nice to be able to see the same design with different color combos. This class comes with a supply list. I will list everything that I've used for both cards. Those supplies are linked to where you can find them and have them shipped directly to your door if you choose. As you can see, by swapping out the glitters with embossing glazes, we get a beautiful textured but glossy look. We also have some that have a stamped background, and because of the glaze, you're able to see that background through there. This card here, we're going to swap one of the glazes for glitter. So you're going to have a combination of the glitter plus the glaze, which gives it a beautiful texture. Let's go create.